Hi, it's David with Precision Zone. Today we're going to be talking about static testing the Yaskawa CACR-IR SB series servo pack. Before you start, you want to make sure that the drive has been disconnected from the machine and it has been completely powered off before performing any of these tests. To begin, you want to also make sure that the DC bus has been fully discharged, and to check that you can set your digital multimeter to the DC test function and you'll measure across the DC bus. Here we're getting about 254 millivolts, which should be just about completely discharged. Before you do any test, you also want to do a visual check. You want to make sure that no components on your drive have been damaged, that everything is properly connected, and you also want to check out your cooling section on this drive. So you want to check the heat sink, make sure it's properly clean so it can properly be cooling the rest of the drive. And to begin the static check, you want to switch your digital multimeter now to the DC, to the diode test function, and you're going to get the positive side of the digital multimeter, and you're going to connect that to the negative side of the DC bus, and you're going to be checking your inputs at RS and T, and you should be getting about 0.4 volts, and you're going to be checking your outputs at UVW, and you should be getting about 0.3 volts. Now you're going to want to switch your leads. The negative side of the digital multimeter is now going to go to the positive side of the DC bus, and you're going to check RS and T, and you should not be getting any reading. This should be completely open. If you have a short, you have a problem. And you're going to be checking UVW, your outputs, and you should be getting about 0.3 volts. So those are the readings that you should be getting. Normally we would also check we would switch this to resistance check function and check Y3 and Y4. On these type of drives, you typically have an external regen resistor connected to it, so you should get a value, and depending on the size, that value will change as well. For further troubleshooting or for a free assessment, please contact Precision Zone. Our team of professional technicians recondition and test these drives in custom-built simulators and machines, along with providing a 12-month warranty for all repairs, exchanges, and sales.